everyone. My name is Nick Valpone. My title is Director of Corporate Alliances. Our company is Prime Technologies. We specialize in asset management software that's specifically geared toward instrument calibration and maintenance. We primarily support companies in the process control and industrial automation industries. Companies like life sciences, food and beverage, chemical, petrochemical, mining, etc. Our primary flagship product is ProCal V5 calibration management software. This is a solution that's been used by Rockwell Automation as an optional component to FactoryTalk Asset Center for over a decade. It's now sold as a standalone solution, which offers some additional benefits to the client user base. Primarily, our software solutions offer a feature set that's more comprehensive than the competition. In addition, we're in a small group of companies that work specifically with the Fluke documenting process calibrators. Primarily, our ProCal V5 software was sold as an on-premise application. We now offer it as a web-based cloud solution. Our next generation product, PCX, is a total web system that also works with the Fluke documenting process calibrators. Clients that use our applications almost always see a very significant reduction in their operating costs, better oversight of their quality practices, and a very strong foundation moving forward for continuous improvements. Rockwell Automation has always been the gold standard in industrial automation. Our status as a technology partner allows us to collaborate with Rockwell clients to provide the best in web-based applications toward new digital innovative solutions.